Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that has taken the home organization and DIY scene by storm, the Liba Amber Glass Spray Bottles. If you're looking for the best spray bottles, you've come to the right place. These bottles aren't just functional, they're beautifully designed, eco-friendly, and perfect for a wide variety of uses. Let's take a closer look at what makes these bottles a must-have for your home. The Liba Amber Glass Spray Bottles come in a convenient 2-pack, each with a generous capacity of 16 ounces. Their amber glass design not only gives them an elegant appearance but also serves a critical function: protection against ultraviolet light. This feature is especially important for storing sensitive ingredients like essential oils, ensuring they maintain their potency and aroma. One of the standout features of these spray bottles is their adjustable nozzle. You can easily switch between 3 settings: off, a full mist, and a targeted jet spray. This flexibility allows you to customize your spraying experience, whether you're misting plants, cleaning surfaces, or applying hair treatments. The extended suction tube also ensures that you get every last drop from the bottle, minimizing waste and maximizing your investment. Imagine creating your favorite natural cleaning solutions at home. You can mix vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils to craft effective and environmentally friendly cleaners for your kitchen, bathroom, or even for laundry spot cleaning. At Find Your Dream Home, the Liba spray bottles are perfect for all these applications. Are you a plant lover? These bottles are also ideal for plant care. The fine mist setting is perfect for gently hydrating your indoor plants without overdoing it. It's a great way to keep your greenery thriving while adding a touch of elegance to your home care routine. Another essential aspect of these bottles is their commitment to sustainability. By choosing glass over plastic, you're making a conscious decision to reduce plastic waste. Glass is not only more environmentally friendly, but it also doesn't contain harmful chemicals like BPA, which can leach into your products over time. With these amber spray bottles, you can feel good about your purchase and its impact on the planet. The premium-grade dark amber glass used in these bottles ensures ingredient purity and quality. You won't have to worry about your solutions degrading from exposure to light. This means your DIY concoctions will remain stable and effective longer. To sum it all up, the Liba Amber Glass Spray Bottles are an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning and organizing routine. With their stylish design, versatile functionality, and eco-friendly materials, they truly stand out in the market of spray bottles. If you're ready to elevate your home care routine, check out the Liba Amber Glass Spray Bottles. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.